Good morning, my name is Matt Nackino, Argo's Head of Design and Construction. Today we're standing out in front of the first completed assembly of air coolers and pumps. This air cooler is 15 feet wide, 57 feet long, weighs about 60,000 pounds, and has a capacity to carry about 9,100 gallons of oil. The fan and the pumps are two separate systems working as one, each system having about 4,500 gallons of oil within them. So it just gives us that level of control in identifying inefficiencies in the system that might need to be corrected in the future without powering down the thing as a whole. Pumps feed the system. They are constantly forcing oil into the system, supply and return. Hot oil is cycled back through to the fans, which is then brought down to temperature. It's a continuous cycle to maintain the entire system, but it allows us, with two pumps, a separate system up top, and the separation of the system inside, to split the systems and have that level of control. Dry coolers were made in the Midwest here in the States. Currently have 27 on site, have another 3 coming this week for a total of 30. Last delivery targeting somewhere around the end of March. The first 4 megawatt cooling system will be filled with oil, tested and commissioned, turned over to us by the end of this week.